Hello, welcome to the GCSE Computer Science Options video. Okay, let's start off with a course overview. It's a 2-year GCSE qualification focused on computer science and programming. So building on those skills that you study in Key Stage 3. So programming has a strong link to Scratch and obviously the Python topic that we study in Year 8. You develop technical skills and computational thinking skills as well. So those can be applied to when you program. And we'll cover some core components of digital systems and how they communicate with one another. For example, networks and how devices can utilize the internet to communicate. The course is divided up into 2 papers, both of which you sit at the end of Year 11. The first paper, Computer Systems, worth 50%, covers computer hardware, software, and networks, and the topics that we study include computer architecture, memory and storage, network security, system software, and ethical, legal, and environmental impacts of digital technology. Paper 2, Computational Thinking and Programming, focuses on programming skills and problem solving. We use Python programming language, and the topics that we study are algorithms, programming techniques, computational logic, data representation, and some practical programming challenges. Each of the exam papers are 1 hour 30 minutes each, and practical programming skills are actually assessed within those exams, meaning students have to write lines of code on the exam paper rather than what they're used to in lessons, which is writing lines of code on the computer with the use of an integrated development environment, which means you really need to get to grips with the programming syntax and be able to remember it from scratch. There's no coursework, but there are some programming challenges which aren't assessed but are a crucial part of the course, and that just helps you out for the paper 2 content because it gives you that programming experience that will help you with the harder questions. Over the 2 years, some of the key computer science skills you'll develop are computational thinking, programming logic, problem solving, algorithmic design, and technical communication. So first 4 of those are especially relevant to any programming or algorithms that you might need to solve. Technical communication is more for the ethics topic, where you need to apply justification and reasoning with your answers, thinking about different points of view and how people are impacted by technology. There are many career opportunities that computer science can lead you towards. Some of these paths include software development, so creating apps or programs for a company, cybersecurity, where you can improve the security of companies by testing their systems, making sure that they're fit for purpose, data science, so analyzing data, especially important now for the advancement of AI and where that's leading, game design, network engineering, and IT consulting. Some of the things you'll need to be successful in computer science are a logical and analytical mindset, so being able to look at a problem and think what are the things that matter and use those to create a solution. An interest in technology, so if you've enjoyed the IT lessons up to this point, then that's usually a good indicator that you'll enjoy computer science. Secure mathematics skills, there's quite a strong link between ability in maths and ability to do well in computer science. Patience for problem solving, especially some of the harder coding solutions, they can take quite a bit of time to come up with a solution. And willingness to learn programming. Basically, it should become a hobby. I'd say one of the things that students struggle with most is the programming side of things, okay, in the paper 2 topics. So if you start off early, following that, what we've done already in Year 8 and Year 9, if you build on that, then you're going to put yourself in a good position to do well in computer science. When deciding if computer science is right for you, some of the things you can ask yourself are, do you enjoy solving puzzles? Because if so, coding is essentially puzzle solving. You're given a coding problem, you need to create a solution to solve that puzzle. If you're curious about how technology works, especially more new technologies such as AI and virtual reality, those are some of the things that we cover. And if you want to understand the behind the scenes of computers, we do that as well. We look at the internal components of computers and what their role is within the computer itself. So if you like those things, then computer science could be perfect for you. So computer science is a very challenging course, but also a very rewarding one. Without doubt, my favourite thing to teach, so hopefully I've got some of you interested and you can choose it. If you'd like to find out more, feel free to visit the OCR website, course code J277, where you can find out more, including the course specification. Or feel free to give me an email and I'll be happy to answer any questions.